Using the same axes, we want to sketch y equals e to the x and y equals x squared. So we need some axes. We have an x-axis and a y-axis. And if we first consider e to the x, we know that e to the x has an asymptote as the negative x-axis, comes up through 1, and then goes off very steeply. X squared, we know, is symmetrical, goes through 0, 0, and curves upwards like so. We should always label every curve that we sketch. We now want to explain why the equation e to the x equals x squared has only one root. On our sketch, we can clearly see one point of intersection. We need to consider the two curves to the right of the y-axis. If x is a positive number, then the graph of e to the x is far steeper than the graph of x squared. So these two curves can never meet to the right of the y-axis. Finally, we want to show that the root of e to the x equals x squared that we can see above lies in the interval minus 0.71 to minus 0.70. So let's start by letting f of x be equal to e to the x minus x squared. Remember, bring everything to one side so that the other side is 0. We then look for a change of sign in f of x. So we need to evaluate f of minus 0.71, which will be equal to e to the minus 0.71, take away minus 0.71 squared. We also need to evaluate f of minus 0.7, which is equal to e to the minus 0.70, take away minus 0.70 squared. This evaluates to give us minus 0.0125, and this evaluates to give us 6.59 times 10 to the power of minus 3. So we have one negative value and one positive value, and therefore we have a change of sign, and we know that a change of sign implies a root.